Welcome to BK42 channel. This is the Engui EP2 Pro, and I'm gonna follow up and tell you how it is holding up after almost 4 months since the first review. So far, even doing a couple of off-road rides, this bike is holding up very well. Let's look at the pros, in the between and the cons. Starting with the pros, as I mentioned, it is holding up. So the pro number 1 is the build quality. The frame is solid and all parts are still like new. Pro number 2 is the 750 watts powerful motor. It is reliable and has never overheated so far. Number 3, comfortable ride. Yes, thanks to the soft saddle and the cruise control, riding the Engui is very comfortable. Pro number 4, the brakes are still working very well and don't make any noise. Number 5, fat tires. They are very stable and the rubber looks like new after hundreds of kilometers. In between, the front suspension isn't great, but it works fine. The battery capacity could be bigger. It is still keeping the charge very well, I haven't had any problems with it, but I would love to have a little more juice here. Cons. Number 1. The kickstand. I cannot trust it. It seems to be loosening with use, so it will be the first part to be replaced. Number 2. The matte orange looks great, but it definitely has a delicate matte finish. Scratching the paint is very easy. Engui has released the 2022 electric bike series. Some of the issues I've mentioned seems to be addressed, like a larger battery and some minor tweaks. This is a great and fun bike, and at this price range, you can't go wrong with it. It will last longer than I expected. If you wanna buy the Engui EP2 Pro update version, I will add the link below for you. That's it for today. So please comment below and let me know what you think about this bike. Did you expect that it would hold up? Do you own one of these? Stay tuned, lots to come. Cheers!